I just got to writing my piece an hour ago, so I was tired of holding on to the past and not letting go of what I've done. I'm tired of not enjoying every moment of my life and living in the now. Yes, I've been hurt and I've hurt others, but it's not what makes us human. Life is too precious to fill ourselves with guilt and regret. I say let go and move on. Enjoy the beauty of this universe. Live in this moment and spread the light we have blessed within. We are all capable of manifesting the excellence we have in us. So why do we settle for anything less? Challenges will always be here, yet we must eradicate any fear that is in us. Follow your heart and set free. Have the courage to become what you were meant to be. I've done it all: lust, sex, drugs, alcohol. And after everything, I learned one thing: happiness comes from leading a pure life. Of course, in the meantime, we deal with temptation and struggle. But you see, it's having the courage to say no that keeps us out of trouble. And love one another. I swear it'll set you free. It's the bliss within us that we were meant to feel and be. I'm here waiting, patiently waiting for the one. I know she'll set me free and fulfill me. I've dreamed of her and I felt her immense love. It's only a matter of time before we become one. I've given up lustful behavior and have conquered the temptation. I shall continue to wait because I know it'll be worth it. For now, while I wait, I shall become the man I dreamed of being when I was a young boy. Continue on my journey and fulfill every desire my heart contains. I want to spread my light and I want to spread love, to share the gifts that I've received from above. I will heal this world and save lives. I had this vision when I was young, that it is my mission to help others who have felt shunned. Nothing will stand in my way, and I'm going to see my dreams become reality. The mediocrity we settle for as humans is unacceptable. Everyone shall strive to fulfill their destiny, to be exactly who we want to be. Here goes some improv for y'all. Hold on to your dreams and be everything you want to be. Because in this society, we have learned to oppress our dreams, but that's not okay. Become who you want to be. Don't listen to this bullshit that we shouldn't be. I promise y'all, hold on to your dreams and your life will be everything you want it to be.